So let's start our today's class, and today we are also going to revise the same topic which we have done yesterday. So put the heading in your notebooks, revision of division, or simple भी आप लिख सकते हो revision work. That we are going to revise the topics, the division sums which we have done, the divide and checking sum. And I am going to tell you the another name of checking bache. So we used to write the statement divide and check. Okay, all the time we write like this, divide and check. But there is also one word different than check. We can also write verify, verify in place of checking, right? If the statement is divide and verify, the sum is same. Okay, don't get confused between these two words. The meaning of verify and check is same. Check means to check whether our answer is right or wrong. Verification means verify means verification, कि verify करना है आपने, ये check करना है. Verify का दूसरा synonyms भी है check. Okay, कि हमने check करना है is our sum is right or wrong. Okay, so the two words are same. First is check or other is verify. Okay, so the statement can come in the form of divide and check or divide and verify. Clear? So these are the two words that you should remember. बच्चे confuse नहीं होना आपने कि what verify means. Okay, so today firstly write statement divide and check, and I'm going to write the statement divide and check. A part is 43 divides by 5. 43 divides by 5. Now start doing this sum in your notebooks, because many a times already we have done these types of sum, and mostly students are writing checking formula in the chat box. Arav has written very good. Capital D is equals to capital Q multiply small d plus R. And you know each and everything. What is capital D? What is small d? So firstly, we will divide, right? 43 by 5. 43 by 5. And when you will solve this sum, just write quotient and remainder in the chat box. Okay? Then I'll let you know that your answer is right or wrong. Just write quotient and remainder. Okay, Tanisha has written quotient is 8, remainder is 3. So let's see, is this right or not? Angel has written. Okay, so I am also doing this sum side by side. You can also see, right? So firstly, we will start doing our division part. So we need to recall the table of 5. Okay, so as you can see, the first digit is 4 and 4 is smaller than 5. When the first digit is smaller than our divisor, then what we need to do is 5 zeros are 0. So we will put a 0 here, and 4 minus 0 is 4. Right? Because 4 is smaller than 5. Okay, so we can't take directly two numbers. Now we can bring down 3. Right? Now we have bring down 3. Now we will recall the table of 5. देखेंगे हम कि हमारे 43 के near about कौन सी term आती है. So 8 5s are 40. You will recall the full table of 5 in your mind. I know, so I am directly doing this. 8 5s are 40, because 9 5s are 45 and 45 is greater than 43. Okay, so 43 minus 40 is 3, right? And side by side what we will write? Small d, capital D, Q and R. So what is capital D here, bache? Quickly write in the chat box. What is capital D here in this division sum? Capital D is dividend. the number which is being divided. Yes, Sahajpreet, 43. Capital D is 43, that number which is being divided, जिसको हमने divide करना है. And what is capital Q? What is capital Q? Yes, very good, Samar, Krishav. Capital Q is 8. So we can also write 08 or we can write 8 in a simple way. Okay. So what is small d? Small d is divisor, the number which divides. That number which divides. वो number जो divide करता है. Yes, 5, Harleen. Okay, Harleen, बच्चे, now are you doing it in your notebook side by side? आराम से कर रहे हो ना, because I am doing it very slowly, so that you can also do. Show me your thumbs up अगर आप साथ में कर रहे हो. Harleen, okay. So what is our remainder? Remainder means the number which we are left with. Yes, 3. So now we are left with 3 and we all know what is the checking formula. So I am doing the checking, बच्चे. On the upper part, so I am going to erase this. आप जैसे नीचे करते हो वहीं पे ही करोगे, okay? So checking is capital D is equals to capital Q multiply D plus R. And we know each and every number because we have written side by side. Capital D is 43, capital Q is 8, small d is 5, and remainder is 3. So firstly, what we will do, multiplication or addition? Quickly, write in the chat box. We are doing this sum very slowly. Okay, so that each and every step will be clear to you. Krishav has done very good. I know most students have done. So I am doing slowly for those students जो slow लिखते हैं ताकि वो भी cover करें and बाकी तो already कर ही लेते हैं ना. Yes, multiply. So 8 5s are 40 and we will do 40 plus 3. Firstly, we will do multiplication. 8 5s are 40 and then what we have to do is 40 plus 3 is 43. And 43 is equals to 43. See what we have get. 43 is equals to 43 and this is all what we need. We need both the numbers on the either side is equal because we have put an equal to sign. Equals to means कि right hand side और left hand side पे भी जो है हमारा number equal है. So 43 is equals to 43. It means our sum is right. It means our checking part is done. Clear? Now I am also giving you time 1 or 2 minutes. आप साथ में आपने कर लिया, I know, but if you need more time, then I can also give. Clear? So now I want to see you all. Himanshu बच्चे, third time I am saying your video is off. You want to stay in the meeting or we let you send to your waiting room? Samar Kumar, Yashraj. Yes, Radhya, I have seen. Good. Parisha is doing. ID with Sanchita Bache, are you understood now? Yesterday was your query, Ananya. Yes, I have seen. Sanchita, okay? Is it okay to you? Are you clear? Show me your thumbs up. Very good. Are you doing it in your notebook side by side? Show me your notebook. I think you are not writing, बच्चे. Show me. Notebook दूर पड़ी है, आप उठाने जा रहे हो अभी. That's bad. फिर बाद में आप बोलते हो बच्चे that I am not clear. जब आपको कोई चीज समझ नहीं ना आती बच्चे तो there must be some problem from your side. आप पूरा ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, आप कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर रहे हो, आपकी नोटबुक नहीं है आपके पास. Yes, Angel, good. I have seen. Put down. Busheen, show me. Good. Good. Now, Sanchita, you have off your video. So, बच्चे next time if you will ask me anything, I will also not revert. अगर आप ऐसे करोगे, so this is not good. ये क्या लिखा है अभिजोत मैम? रॉन्ग. रॉग ROG क्या होता है अभिजोत? ओके, सो नाउ वी आर मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट. आई एम राइटिंग इट ऑन बोर्ड और ये सारा पार्ट आप खुद करोगे. ओके, उसके बाद आई विल डू इट ऑन द बोर्ड. बी पार्ट इज 56. Wait. 48 divides by 4. Statement is same. Divide and check. B part. 48 divides by 4. So you will do it by yourself. If there will be any query, please let me know. Just write in the chat box. I will answer you. आपको कोई भी confusion नहीं होनी चाहिए. But I know up to now this time you have all clear because we have done this type of sums a lot of time. Bishti, are you doing? Okay. Priyamvada, do it, bache. Don't talk. Okay, Krishav. Abhijot, remainder लिखा है आपने 4. Tanisha and Krishav's answer is same. Mananya has written remainder 4. 2 students have written remainder 4. Mananya and Abhijot. Angel, Summer. Pratiksha, you are doing? Abhijot has written now remainder 0. Aditya, Paramveer, okay. Palak, just Noor. I just want to see that how many students have done. कि मेरे कराए के बिना कितने स्टूडेंट्स कर लेते हैं. I just want to see. After that, I will do. Also do बच्चे checking part. I know you are writing quotient and remainder part. And those who have not done the checking part, complete it also. Checking. Sugam Bhaga, are you done? Done? Okay, complete it. Vidhan, done बच्चे? Okay, good. You can also show me. Harleen, done? Then why are you sitting so calmly? You are not doing. You are just watching the camera. This is not right, bache. By doing this, you cannot learn how to solve the sum. Until then, you will not solve it by yourself. Namish, are you done? Okay, very good. Yes, Namish, good. Pranav Jyot. Okay, so now I'm also doing this sum on the board. You can see. So 48 divides by 4. So firstly, we are going to divide 48 by 4 and simply 4 ones are 4, right? So here is 4. This is not smaller or not bigger. This is equal to 4. So 4 ones are 4. So we will write 4 here and 0. And we will put down 8. And here we will write 8. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 2 will be written here and 8 here. So 0. So by side, we will write capital D is 48, Q is 12, G is 4, remainder is 0. So checking formula is capital D is equals to Q multiply small d plus R. Capital D is 48, Q is 12, small d is 4, remainder is 0. Already you know how to solve this, okay? We have just done it in a simple way by writing all these donation कि हम denote कैसे करते हैं अपने numbers को, right? And we are just filling here. And firstly, what we will do, 12 multiplied by 4 is 48. And because you know the table of 12, 12 multiplied 4, 12 fours are 48. And 48 plus 0 is 48. See what we have got? 48 is equals to 48. Yes, very good. Most students have written done, ma'am. Summer is showing thumbs up. Very good. That's good, बच्चे. मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला, it is a feeling of satisfaction when you students are doing good. You are doing very well. So, firstly, division part, side by side. This is just for convenience. Writing this is not बच्चे compulsory. ये just आपकी convenience के लिए है. If you want to write this, or next is checking part. Next sum, Ananya is saying, wait, bache, others are doing. So complete it. Yes, ID with Radhya. Very good. I can see. Done. You want me to move next? Harneet. Okay, so now next sum. I think now no one is doing. Everyone has done. Next, third is C part is. After that, we will also revise multiplication sums. Okay, side by side, we will do two topics. C part is, statement is again same, divide and check. "26 divides by 4. 26 divides by 4. So do this. 26 divides by 4. Divide and check. So I am watching you all. Do it sincerely. अपनी honesty के साथ करना है आपने. Don't take anyone's help now. Kanav Agrawal, are you done? The previous sums, बच्चे. Previous sum. Show me your notebook. Okay. Tanisha, Krishav, Angel has written answer. Okay. Parambans, 4 students has written and the answers are same. Very good. Palak has written. IDV Seema, Cover, Natik, Parisha, Gursirat, Bache, you are present in my class or not? If I cannot see you, Bache, then you are absent for me. There is no need of filling the attendance form. अगर मैं आपको देख नहीं पा रही हूँ, it means you are not physically present. Simple. That doesn't mean that you are filling attendance form, you are present. I can also put absent there also. If you are not, keep your videos on. Now you have on ID with Seema covered. Bache, is there any problem? Okay, Haleen, Mananya, Parisha, Sahajpreet. Many students have written the answer. Divyam is showing notebook. Good. Divyam, do checking part also. Naval, are you done? Dharya, do it. Dharya, who is sitting with you? She is also in my class. Please write in the chat box if she is also in my class. Means red or blue section. Write your name. Krishav, okay, good. I have seen. Very good. Bimandeep, Akshita, done, bache? Akshita, show me your notebook if you are done. ID with Navjeet Kaur, bache, you are just playing in front of the camera. I can see. If you have done, then please sit quietly. Angel, checking, done. Very good. So, 26 divides by 4. And we have to divide 26 by 4. Okay. So, first number is here 2. And 2 is smaller than 4. Now, what we do? What we need here? 4 zeros is 0. And 2 minus 0 is 2. Okay. Now, we need the second digit because we cannot solve this division only just with 2. So, we are going to put down 6. And we will recall the table of 4 in our mind. Okay. So, 6 fours are 24 and 7 fours are 28. 28 is bigger. So 6 fours are 24 and 26 minus 24 is 2. Simple. Capital D, divisor is, dividend is 26, quotient is 6, divisor is 4, remainder is 2. Okay. Dharya, she is in second green. Okay. Checking. Capital D is equals to capital Q multiply small d plus R. Okay. So capital D आपको पता है, the number which is being divided, quotient is 6, divisor is 4 and remainder is 2. And firstly what we will do? We will do multiplication part. 6 fours are 24 plus 2. And 24 plus 2 is 26. And ultimately in the end, we have got the same answer. On the both sides, we got 26, 26. It means our checking part is done and our division is right. Okay. So very good to those. Very good. I am clapping for you all. और जिन्होंने कर लिया था मेरे से पहले ही with checking part also. Very good. Okay, so I hope now you all have done. Ma'am, please paste the attendance link. So by the time ma'am will send, yes. So click on this link, quickly fill the attendance and come back and we will do 1 or 2 multiplication sums. Okay. Fill your attendance. And by the time, those students who have not done this sum, you can also do. The sum is on the board. ID with Ishika Bache, please don't lie on the bed, sit properly. So I hope you all must have filled the attendance, right? So on the board, I have written multiplication. Now we are going to do multiplication revision. So A part is multiply 415 by 5. 415 by 5. And it is very simple. You can also do it by yourself. Firstly, you need to arrange the numbers according to its place values. I'm just arranging the numbers here. Ones, tens, hundreds, 415 by 5. And I have told you that this is your opinion, where to put the carry circles. Okay. Okay, Arav has written, Naval has written, both the answers are same. Tanisha, I need more answers. Yes, Gursheen, right? Next, Angel, Pratiksha. And I hope you all are doing it honestly. You are not taking anyone's help, right? Bishti, Param, Arav, Aditya, Pavika, mostly students have done. The answer is 2075 and no one has given me the different answer. Okay, so let's solve this. 5 5s are 25, so 5 will be written here and 2 is carryover. 5 1s are 5, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 5 4s are 20. So it's very easy. Answer is 2075. 2075. Simple. Done. So next sum is 400 by 3. And you will answer this sum bache within 1 second or within 2 or 3 seconds. For this you don't need to do calculation. Just write quickly your answer in the chat box. 400 by 3 because already I have told you the shortcut method. Yes, Bishti, Angel, Naval, Tanisha, very good. Yes, very good. Most students have written. Pavika, Anish, Vidhan, good. Parisha, yes. So here what you need to do is the number which is bigger than 0, just multiply those numbers. 4 3s are 12 and just put 2 zeros after that, right? And these sums are kind of mental math sums where you will just write the answer. And if you need to do the calculation, you can also do, but there is no problem. 3 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 3 fours are 12. Means there are two ways. Okay, one is the calculative way and other is the shortcut way. Done. Now next is, let's do some sums in the form of blanks. C part is, so quickly you will give the answer. 10 multiplied 10 is, this is in the form of blanks bache. 10 multiplied 10 is, Ananya, why are you laughing? What happened? 100. Yes, very good. Naval, Ishraj, Moksh. Very good. 10 multiplied 10 is 100 because 10 tens are 100, or the simple way we have also is 1 ones are 1 and 1 0 and 1 0. So 2 zeros we will write in the answer. Hitesh, answer is wrong, bache. You have written 1000. 10 tens are 100. Next is 12 divides by 4 is dash. 12 divides by 4 is dash. Quickly, 8. 8 by 1 student has written 8. 3. Yes. This is a table of 4, bache. 12, if we divide 12 by 4, we will get 3 because 4 3s are 12. Again, Abhijot has written 8. Okay, next is 5 dash 2 is equals to 10. Now think about it. This is something different. 5 dash 2 is equals to 10. Now I will get mixed answer. I know. Naval has given Moksha, Arav, very good. Already we have done this type of sums also. I know. So last time I got very mixed answer. This time you all are right. Multiplication. Yes. We will put a multiply sign here because when we will multiply 5 by 2, we will get 10. Right? Means here sign is missing and we have put the multiplication sign. Okay, next is, let me think first. Okay, now think in a different way. Now I have missed this number from this blank. Divyam Bache, you have written plus. Wrong. Okay. So let's see. Multiplication समर ने डाला है, सीमा ने multiplication डाली है. Wrong. And mostly students are right. Param Bans has put multiplication. Bache, already I have written multiplication. And other students are writing 7. And Gursheen was first to give answer. Very good. 7. Because now you need to think is, then what is the number which when is multiplied by 8, we will get 56. So 8 sevens are 56. That when we will multiply 8 by 7, we will get 56. Clear? Yes. ID with Laksh Bache, you are just typing. Kya bolu main abhi? This is not need. Just you are sending emojis. I don't need that. I just need your answer. Ananya, 7, 7, 7, 7. You have written many times and it becomes 7,000 something. So please don't do this. Just write 1 7 one time. Paramban, same thing for you. You have written at least 9 times. So 8 sevens are 56. And last one is dash multiply 9 is 81. Now I have missed this blank. Dash multiply 9 is 81. Okay, very good. I'm just, okay, one answer is right, wrong, Danish. I'm just looking for the wrong answer. If anyone is there. Okay, I only got one wrong. 7 likha tha bachche aapne. So correct answer is 9. Very good. Now everyone is writing 9. Yes, so 9 nines are 81. So I